southern Champaign County, Clark County, northwestern Green. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Clark County, central Greene County, southwestern Madison County, until 2:30 p.m. At 1:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Yellow Springs, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Beaver Creek, Fairborn, Cedarville, Wilberforce, South Solon, Old Town, Gladstone, Bellsetter, and Selma. A severe thunderstorm